According to macrobiotic nutritionist and health practitioner Shilpa Arora, meals should be balanced with all macronutrients and micronutrients. Bananas are loaded with fiber and wholesome nutrients, however, too much of anything is bad. Some people follow banana diet, which means eating bananas through the day. Eating just banana means that you are missing out on protein and fat that is important for your diet. As per Parmeet Kaur, senior dietitian, Narayana Superspeciality Hospital, overeating of anything is not good for the body as long as it's part of your daily routine. Increase amount of bananas when consumed can lead to many health concerns like weight gain, increase in sugar content and sometimes stimulate headaches and sleepiness. Bananas contain the amino acid tyrosine, which the body converts into tyramine. Tyramine may trigger migraine headaches, attacks and pain. Bananas are rich in starch, which eventually causes tooth decay that do more damage to teeth than any other chocolate, chewing gums or candies. Banana is rich in vitamin B6 and excess consumption of banana leads to the nerve damage. People who suffer from asthma should not consume banana in their diet. It also leads to inflammation and causes allergy. Thus, breathing becomes difficult. 1. Constipation. Unripe bananas can cause constipation as they contain a lot of starch, which is tough for the body to digest well. Bananas also contain a lot of fiber, pectin, that draws water from the intestines. It can make you even more constipated if you are dehydrated. 2. Nutrient imbalance. Your body needs a balanced assortment of nutrients to function well. If bananas dominate your diet, your stomach has little space for other healthy foods. According to the USDA guidelines, you should get 2 cups of fruit per day, which equals to about large bananas. This leaves room for adding vegetables, grains, protein, et al. In your diet. 3. Excessive fiber may cause digestive problems. Moderate amount of fiber is good for your digestion. Consuming large quantities of fiber can cause abdominal cramps, gas, bloating. In fact, excessive fiber may interfere with the absorption of minerals like calcium and iron. 4. Weight gain. Bananas are high-calorie foods. While banana makes a good snack, consuming more than 2 bananas can definitely pack up more than 300 calories. Therefore, it is better to stick to only 2 bananas, if you are not eating any other fruit through the day. 5. Sleepiness. Bananas contain tryptophan, the amino acid that is known to help you sleep better. Carbohydrates in bananas are said to block amino acids from entering the brain, so there is an influx of tryptophan that may lead to an increase in the production of serotonin, which is another trigger for sleepiness. It also comprises magnesium that relaxes muscles, which can be another trigger. 6. Dental health problems. Banana is a sugary fruit. Even if it contains natural sugars, it does bring some harm to your dental health. One of the most common problems by eating too much sugar is tooth decay. The acid from eating too many bananas can eat away your tooth enamel, further damaging your dental health. 7. Barely contains fat. Bananas have no fat, which makes it a good fruit to lose weight. However, everyone needs some amount of fat in their diet. Dietary fat is essential to brain development and good health. So, ensure combining it with foods that have healthy fats. Bananas are super healthy fruits, but as they say, anything in excess is bad for your health. So, ensure having not more than 2 bananas a day or consult your dietitian, who can help you alter your diet plan. Please share this information to your family and friends. Thank you.